Hello everyone, welcome back to Baruch Nation. We have a new mask here to take a look at. It is the Under Armour SportsMask. This is you can call it one of the big daddies, one of the popular ones. Sold out very often, actually. I went to the store to pick this mask up and it was sold out. So I told them if I order it, it will obviously get delivered. So after some deliberation, I decided, you know what? Why not? Let's give it a try, see how it does. It's supposed to be built for sports, for movement, for activity, and for the price, we'll see how it does. Now, this is the most expensive mask that I've purchased so far, but it is specially made for, I guess I could say, well, for sports, obviously, but for movement, which is the, at work, breathing, moving, lifting. This mask should help. There we go. There we go. So one thing I didn't actually realize is it comes with a little pouch. I guess you can put your name on it. It's my pouch. It's my mask. And here we have the mask. So I opted for the large, extra large, or the extra large double XL. I wanted a mask that would fit, covering as much as possible. So the symbol stays at the bottom. There's the interior. They're trademarked ISO Chill. Now, I did watch a review and read a review about this mask, and we'll see if it holds true. But the actual mask itself, this area, is made very well. It is the connection point here. It's the connection point here that can tear. And this does look extremely thin. And it does have, for the nose, it does have the metal part. So here we have the mask on. Got a look at it there. Surprisingly, the glasses are not fogging. It's not bad. And full coverage, chin to nose. Now with this 3-layer system here, the outer, the middle, and the next to the skin ISO chill. I could say I was only wearing it for maybe 5 minutes, and I can see that the quote-unquote ISO chill doesn't really chill. I can see this getting very warm relatively quickly. And since this is built for working out, for sports, for being active, maybe if it gets sweaty, the ISO chill will cool. Have no idea. But it does get warm. It is a thick material, which is good because that's what you want. You want layers to protect you from the droplets. Right? Water resistant. Supposed to let you breathe. Supposed to keep you cool. Right? Supposed to help with the bacteria. So that's good. And once again, it better for that price. This is very, compared to all the other masks that I've had, very expensive. But the only way to try it out is to buy it, right? And I did get this straight from Under Armour. I just went to their website and I ordered it from them directly. My other masks usually I get from eBay or Kijiji or Amazon or Walmart. So this one was directly from the source. And we'll have to see how it does. I opted for blue. They do have it also in black. It's got some stretch to it. I guess this will just fold and fit in there. Looks a little big, but I'm guessing that this will fold or this will stretch. I'm probably never going to use this thing. Maybe put a cell phone or something in it. But it's nice that it comes with it, considering, the extra cost for the mask. Thank you for watching, everyone. And I hope you all have a great day.